I should have put this up before I started streaming. That's fine. That's fine. I just am stupid. Okay, we're gonna do this, and then oh, terrible start. Terrible start. I'm sorry. Oh, that's not enough. What if I? Okay, okay. Why is that at the top? Do this, and then hate how it is. That's cool. That's fun. Uh, how do I want to do this? Could just do it like this. That just makes it like really long, and then okay, that's fine. I'm fine with this. Hello, guys. Welcome to coding. I suck at coding. This is not new info. I have to shrink it because I didn't allow enough space to see chat. Hey guys, I suck at coding. Not new information. And I'm streaming myself, working on it. Can't improve without a little bit of force and brute force. Here, let me do, let's do good. I have a the instantly gets lobotomized. That's so cool. That's so cool, guys. Do we think? Nah, there's no problems. Well, it's okay.
Tasha is crushing it. And with shoutouts in the Wells Fargo app, she knows if she's crushing her savings
Oh, it's
goals
15-second
too.
unskippable. Of
However you
course it
make
is. Of
money now,
course it
you
is.
can work with that.
Thresholds to the set with determine threshold values.
Because there are breakdowns in your area, there are drivers
Stop.
in your area.
Stop. Please. Okay. Okay, guys. Commit send readings to a set of unique readings to remove duplicate values. This isn't too loud, is it? I'll turn down the chunk though. I can never tell. That's the increase volume button. Into set unique readings, remove duplicate values. So what am I going to do? Sensor readings. No, not set settings. We do unique readings equal. What is it? String? No. What type of... I hate AI, but I genuinely have to use it for this. What type of... unique elements... There's like 3 of them I forget. Okay, so listen to a set. I think unique readings. Unique readings in the union. Okay. So guys, oh, line. Am I stupid? It's not thresholds here. Enter unique readings. Oh, with the set thresholds. Okay. Bingo. Return bingo. Did I do this right? Let's check it. It's gonna be a resounding no, I don't think. Doesn't fail. You returned, but it was supposed to be 20. That's cool. Expected test 1 passed. Oh, this is not fun already. Python symbol. Oh no, I'm stupid, it's not union. Into this section, which is the and symbol. Okay. Okay. Is that it? That's not gonna be it. There's gonna be an issue, yeah. At least I have an idea. At least I have an idea. I just got a message. Wait.
Target Circle Week is here with hot daily deals so big you can't miss them. Score daily deals at 40% off, BOGO half-off Halloween candy, and other fall favorite savings. How hot is that? It's Target Circle Week through Saturday. Restrictions apply.
Okay. Okay. I'm missing something. Okay, back. Let's see, who didn't bingo? Next, analyze for feedback report. System feedback report. Repeat red function that takes in the func parameter report. String, check if it would fail. if I in report equals I think you will return false otherwise. So if what does it mean by case insensitive? With entire report you into a constant case local title to ages. Oh. No, it's gonna like prosecute me for this. I think I can do this, and we'll just set it to title case, and that should check correctly. No, not defined. Do you mean ID? Did I mean ID? I don't think I meant ID. Do I have to do a 4? And then see if I can... Can I just do this then? I get lobotomized every time I do this. Okay. I think there might be parentheses here that I'm missing. This one failed. You return false, but it's supposed to return true. Return false was supposed to return false was supposed to be true. 50-50 chance of winning. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Is it this that I'm missing? No. Maybe I have to take away in report if I just equals fail. It is in title case. No. And false was supposed to return true. But it was not critical. Failure. It wouldn't detect that, yeah, because I have it in title case. Well, I could kind of just brute force this, I think. So what if I do lower, upper? Lower, upper title. Fail starts today, fails at any point. Fail would you return false was supposed to be true. Detected. Oh, am I doing something wrong?
Plus a new iPad and Apple One with eligible phone trade-in and unlimited ultimate. Best 5G source root metrics data United States 2025. All rights reserved. Trade-in and additional terms apply for all offers.
Check it for fail case insensitive. How would I go about this? could just eat the point and not have to deal with this. I'm not gonna lie. However, I won't be doing that because I would like to genuinely learn how to code. Port equal port dot upper for iron port. What am I doing? How would I do this? How would I just scan for just the word if it appears in a string of text? Let's see if Google helps me. How to check for a word in a string Python. Main string, blah blah blah. If word defined in main string. Can I just do if that in? Can I just for let's just do this. That upper lower. Let me check it again. And I think it should work. Okay. Before I do this, I'll hide this and quickly check something. But I mean, I'm not going to leak my identity. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. There we go. It's not exam. Okay, it's a lab. Oh, do you mean to submit it? I forgot I didn't want to submit it. Wait, guys, quick thing. Let me double check. Uh, oh wait, no, I got it back. Okay. Be back. Scholarship, you task of creating a scholarship calculator. This weekend goes to invent the given GPA number of service hours. and SAT score is enough to earn the pass. So we must take a GPA, hours integer, SAT integer, 18, ID integer, or IV. Must print output back to the user who's input the format. Oh damn, okay, it's just a bunch of questions, that's not fun. Do not really must see FAS ignoring the below. So I just make it equal, okay. Jeepa. I assume it just wants a nothing input. How many inputs? 4. Float. Float, and then I'm gonna take horse, which is gonna be hours. Int. Sat. Another int. And IBCs. Which is meant to be a pun on ABCs. I should probably just do this. Scholarship, calc. And then I do this, and then tab. Alright. Let's just say I input that. Output. What? Let's take a... Let's print the output back to the user. Here's the input from HP. And then what? I'm just gonna repeat this. And then IGP, and I say hours, and I just say voice sat IBCs AT. I know doing stuff like haha, I just do silly. I didn't define anything. Exactly, got nothing. Yeah. Scholarship calc. Just run it. I with nothing. That's cool. Forgot to pop. Cool. But you print out the statement from part 1 before you start with it. Okay, that's cool. Use input to take enough values. Note that there is no string pumped. Use input. True, the student received an award. False, the student did not receive an award. If the student has an IB diploma, they must receive that, ignoring the below. Okay, let's see if this works as a hard stop. I could just do the tried and true forg equals true while forg equal true. That's my brute force. If what is it? RBCS equal. One if they got, right? How does it return? Print true. I think. Okay, one of the test cases has got to be what I'm asking for. Expected. Fail. Develop syntax. Maybe you meant equals or and stuff. Okay, there we go. What about now? I got a test case for each scenario. I can just do it to nothing because I was forced. Nope, that has to be at the print. Think with that. Excuse me, terminated because none of them hit that. Okay. Or it just. Oh, because I can also forg equal false. That was the issue. Okay, fixed. Fixed programmer. Hacker man. That's the dead meme that I will choose to reference today. My God, I wish you. Okay, damn, just flubbed that immediately. Okay, it's gonna give the Steam still out because I didn't finish the program. That's fine. I'll accept that. I gotta hit him with an is-elf if. Crew is now GPA. The GP is what? Is greater than 3.5. And if a student is just below, so I think it's greater or equal then. And service hours, so if horse less than, I can just do greater or equal than 100. And wait. And set greater than equal 1330. Okay, print true, I think, for equal false. Return else. Print false. Return forg equal false. That's a lot of extra code with nonsense. I could completely remove the while true. Okay. I mistyped print. I could completely move the while frog equal true. Because the return will automatically stop it. Doesn't matter. Hindsight's 2020. And stream ends when I finish this assignment because I will then have to take a test. Ah. Not even a test, exam. Bigger, ah. Don't forget engine you asked to find in a set of 10 messages anytime an employee has used the character S in their community. What? You're trolling. Zoom input message. False. Okay, we're gonna have to use sus. equals input. So we just take whatever input. So S equals input if S in sus. Make sure it takes both upper and lowercase. Okay. If S in sus, if S or S. Make sure you're covering our bases. For no way out using because I'm not entirely sure. Print was equal false else print true. No. Expected. Oh, input your message. Put your message. It already doesn't work though. That's cool. True. Input your message. False. True. 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 Okay. It doesn't see a single S. What if we just equal sus dot lower check. It doesn't find a single S. I guess that works for words, right? Me when I have the demo open still. How did I do this before? If in. What is the difference? What could possibly be the difference? Sus equals sus dot lower. If S in sus, well, it's all lowercase. In sus, print false or true. Let's see just the test cases it's giving us. True, hello world. False, false. I mixed them up. Don't tell me. Don't tell. I'm actually stupid. Cool, that's so fun. Oh, ask for 10 messages, and at the end we'll show the number of messages that contain the characters. Okay. Wow, frog equal 10. Wow, frog greater than equal 0. Count equal 0 if S count plus equal 1 else, and at the very end frog minus equal 1 print I'll do this for what is it? Count over 10 messages contain the letter. The letter S. Check it. How many issues? All of them. Oh yeah. Input. I think I read it 11 times. Oh! Genius. Absolute cinema. They call me the coding genius because I'm so intelligent. They actually assigned me prodigy at birth. That's why I'm autistic. In this problem, you were given a list of numbers. Oh, 4. Question 3. I hate that. It's the 4th page. But it's question 3. Ew. Title page hell. In this problem, you were given a list of numbers. It's your job to determine all possible unique sums from the given numbers. It does not include adding an entry to itself. What? Here you're given 2 examples. If you're given this 0, 2, 4, 6, it should return 2, 4, 6. And then 2 and 6 is 8. 4, 6 is 10. Given the list -1, 2, 5, -3, you should return -4, -1, 1, 2, 4, 7. Find the function. Unique couple sum takes 1 parameter. Def unique couple sum. Nums. How do we want to do this? It can be in any order. Read to values. What does it expect to return? Oh, that's not, never mind. How would I go about this? Is it just for like 4I in nums? Just do dog equals I plus. And if I can just run this 100. And you also need a new list. Nummy equal nums. I'm not entirely sure how I do this. Explodes to death. I could have just played Slime Rancher tonight, honestly. But it said I'm doing my homework. I'm a responsible adult. The one like laughing frog that like falls on its back. Just want to. I want to buy like $160 Lego set. I'm just like jumping back and forth on the fence, and I have been for genuinely like over a month. Not responsible. I'm genuinely waiting to like the Thanksgiving set with purchase. Because it's $160, so I'm guaranteed a set with purchase. Or Christmas. Because I'd really like that set in my dorm. And then I can have a, because of my bingus hand cam, I should be able to stream me building it. How interesting would that be? I don't know. I might say building Lego ASMR with commentary, which is not ASMR. And do something stupid like that. Gotcha though. Even the list. Okay. That what adds it to itself. Which doesn't work because there's no 12. Okay. For what can I do? For I. What if I do? What if I know? What if I do? My goal is to turn into a set, then a list again. You know, which is clear out the duplicates. So how would I do this? No, I can't do num equals nums. Because what if there's no 0? Because for this one, 5 doesn't appear. Because, no, I can't. I have to just... I can't edit nums. I just have to create a new list. There we go. Nums 0. Plus nums. I can't. I can't do like nummy 1 billion. I can't do. Does it intend me for me to go about this? It's gotta be like. For what? Can I just say number? For I in nums. Nums I plus 1 nummy dot append, I think. Turn nummy period output. Anyway, okay, that's fine. Return list object is not callable. Where? Nums. List object is not callable. Nikabosam. Aha, okay. List object is not callable. What? What do you mean 1 equals that? Guides, good question, test line 11. Module. Line 11? On the test. Nums 1. Object not callable. What type is callable? Is it like a set or something? Nums equal set nums. Tasty nums. What's the meaning of tasty nums? Set object is not callable. Set. Store values. Sets. Lists. Strings is the callable one? I can do STO then. Does this give us the same issue? I just gotta know if basic concept works. String object is not callable. What set of list of items is callable? Callable item. You can parentheses, section, public classes, coincidences. In Python, lists, function class methods. My list, my object. That's the title method. It should work. Equals. It's not in the form I think it is. What if that's the issue? This object is not callable, is it? How do I do this in the previous one? I just kind of accepted it. That's cool. What was it? A list. I mean, this object's not callable. Lists are callable. Okay, what? It's tuple. What if it's a tuple? It's a tuple. Because it adds it to nummy, right? My random variable. I'm gonna crash out. What? How is it not callable? Type O series of values is callable Python. A callable is an option Python could be code using parentheses to exclude code. Method classes objects. Function intelligent instances, functions, created def, lumbar, whatever I know, methods, classes. You call class gets into the class of class. What? Callable instances. I don't want a call module. I want. Okay, I hate it here. So it's not callable. Okay, so what if it... Okay. Quick Google, I have to use the range, then the amount in nums. When I subtract 1. I mean, to be fair, they're the same thing, so I don't need to change it to num, do I? I think this should work. It's whatever plus whatever is next to it. No list object is not callable. Okay, what if I do this? Ba 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 ooh ba ba ba. Nope, the list object's not callable. For I in range that. Guys, I hate it here. Guys. I was using the wrong bracket, guys. Oh, isn't that so fun? It's not so fun. Watch it work. Watch it work all completely immediately. I don't have duplicates though, which is nice at least. And this is what each one, and then the one above it. I can do if. I think it's len nums greater than 2. I can run this. So I have to assume it's for 2. Then I can run this. Then I plus 2. And I think I can if I just expand this a little bit more. Then 3. I should at least work for 4 test cases. Because I is always the first value, or is going to be the first value. Len list index out of range I plus 2. If len nums. Oh, I'm sorry, what? If the number in length is greater than 2. So let's say there's 2. Is it because 1 is counted? Is this how I fix that? List index out of range plus 2 still out of range? How hard do I have to make this? I should say 5. Len should count the total number of values, right? Is that a range? This is fun. I'm gonna bash my head against the wall. It doesn't even work. Oh yeah, because this number is too high now. There's no way it will work. It can only work if it has more than 4 values or something. This still has an out of range? How can you get something out of range? Please tell me. it goes to the maximum one, and it'll count the max. Why doesn't that Why doesn't that break the first one though? Okay, thought I was hallucinating good music.
World's best cat litter for the world's best cat.
How do I account for this? Is the issue that it's... I don't want to go... Or should I do 3? Oh, I have to do -2 because I'm adding 2 there. I think. No, this has to be greater than 2, and this has to be greater than 3, and has to follow the trend. I think. Must just give me another error, and I have Control Z twice. Because I saw the flash working for a second. Okay, and then, nummy equal tuple nummy equal nummy. I think this should quickly filter out any duplicates. I messed everything up. That just, okay, I think we're working with lists. Okay, I think we should just fix it. It's not fixing. That's very fun. Is string the one? List string tuple. No. String does not work. String does not work. It was set. Very nice. Question 4. That's fantastic. Oh yeah, my one viewer immediately leaves, imagine. Okay. For this question, you'll be asked to write the different following independent functions. The following engineering of the problem, do not call the function, only implement it. So what? Def get valid temp. Then if I get it should continue to ask for the user to enter a temperature value in a until they provide a valid temperature. Temp equal good equal false. Well, good equal false. Temp equal input. Please input the temperature. If temp greater than -1 billion. Good equal true. Else good. Else nothing, actually. Oh, else print invalid input. Try again. Gotta print valid input. Print valid input. Good job. Was that turn must be an integer? Oh, okay. Oops. Thanks, a lot easier. If temp greater than equal to 55 and temp less than equal to 100 and an integer. I don't think that should be any issues. I assume hashtag is what are they put in. Invalid input, invalid input. Not supported between instances of string and integer. Okay. Unless they brute force this with, let's say, a float, it should be fine. Because it's not going to work even if I brute force an integer. At least I can check. New thing we're adding the \n. I've learned that this makes everything I read infinitely easier. I won't lie. Why is it twice double spacing? Whatever. Oh, I have to return. Return to B. I'm a Tempe supporter, by the way, guys. Output. Show diff. Test 1 failed. You return 7 versus return 75 passed. Okay, what? Supposed to be an integer? What does it mean? Passed. I know the issue is with me, but I don't know what the issue is. Trying to put test 1 passed. Guys. Guys, be so free with me. What? Okay. Taking a little long. Tick tock, tick tock. Click clack. What are we thinking? The spacing, that kind of pissed me off, not gonna lie, guys. Whatever. To calculate average signals, this function takes a tuple of the voltage signal reference flows from a circuit and returns the average voltage of load. Instruments are correct. Calculate signal. Average signals. Assuming if it would be correct. Okay. So I just like add them. Oh, there's just a function for this in there. Isn't it something like... Can I just do return signals dot total? This is not gonna work. No. Invalid syntax. Thanks. Why is that invalid? I'm gonna explode. Tot equal. Tot. If this doesn't work, I'm switching tot to Tater because I like the idea of Tater tot. What were we thinking? Okay. Invalid syntax. Oh, you're kidding. I misspelled it. And then watch it work. Watch it work. And I just jump off a bridge. Okay, good. Name signals is not defined. Yes, it is. I just can't type with my life. That's been what, 3 typing errors in this message so far? Gotta switch it to Tater. Double attribute has no attribute total. Now if I do signals equal list signals. You know, things in a list, right? I don't care as long as I return the number, honestly. It's a string list of no attribute total. String no, string's gonna mess all of the syntax. Set should have a total though. I think. I hope. I pray. I beg. Set is no attribute total. What is the dot command called for totaling something? Sum! I'm an idiot! It's sum! Why didn't I think of that? I think list does. We'll see if list does. Does list? What are we thinking, chat? Crickets. Chip, 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 chip. Tuple. I did not kick it, put me in. I don't know if I just said that. I thought it. Maybe I should probably say my thoughts out loud. This has no attribute sum. What has an attribute sum? What has attribute sum? Python. Some include data structures like lists. The built-in sum can be totally iterate like a list from the complex data. From iterable like a list. What? Quick Google. Oh, I'm gonna crash. It was basic syntax. It goes in the command. Oh, it failed. What you return, but it was supposed to return. That's cool. Turn 6 when it was supposed to be 2.0. That's cool. Can I do this? And it just works. Because assume turning to list is deleting negatives. You returned 16.3, but it's supposed to be 4 point. What? It's average. That's why. So it's not toad, it's hamburger. And you know what? You want a hamburger? Hamburger is gonna equal tot over len. That's right. There we go. Thank you, hamburger. Unless it breaks again and I crash. Oh, great. Oh, I said hamburger. Hamburger. Hamburger.
You haven't changed your hair in 15 years. Selfies?
Guys, if I high, what is playing an ad? What is playing an ad?
New existing customers can get the new iPhone.
Okay. I thought it was shipping. Sorry, guys. That's clean. Oh, another one. Another one. Another one. There's always oh, there's another one. There's another one. At least we got hamburger. There. Log. Material. Temperature. Temp. Material. The temperatures of material in the industrial process. The temporary value float as in optional material name. So default preliminary is steel. Okay, if material equal none, material equal, okay, the double equal steel, and then okay, and then print logged log temperature temp degrees temp degrees Celsius for Material. I see no issues with this. This is genuinely so simple. I say it before 18 issues and I crash out. Materials temperature, missing one required position. Argument. And 26. You see, I don't have 26. What is supposed to be? Oh, for material, okay. Well, I know it's gonna be different without the error message. Okay, everything but the first. No material temperature, missing one required position, argument, material. So it doesn't give me all arguments. Issue of engines, this function logs the temperature of material in order to process. It takes that and then optional. How do I highlight that it's optional? Yes, it's just gonna be a Google. Optional actual parameter. Method assign a default value directly to the function declaring using equals and minus sign. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm not supposed to do this, I'm just supposed to do, okay. I think. Please don't bake on me. Okay, that's cool. Interesting thing to, like, learn. I'm giving a... Also, by the way, last part. After this, though, I will have to leave stream to go take an exam. File named trees.py. You will see the function you will be working with in the exam. Write a plan program portal. From utilities. Import. Excuse me. Okay. Is valid UID. I would like to import is valid UID from utilities. There we go. Import test case. Okay. Do I import? Yes, no. No, okay. Oh, I think I forgot to do the... Now, did I import it? Yes, no. We get to resound it? No. What? Utilities... Process student info and is underscore valid is underscore ID. Process student info and import from... I don't have to put a PY, do I? I've been importing something in a little bit. I forgot to do the import in general. Stream making this headless though, I wouldn't even lie. I'm gonna crash. How about this? Is it these? Some combination I'm doing this wrong, and I don't know which. Wait, from utilities functions, from utilities.py. I, I, I don't know what I'm doing. It's two functions in utilities, right? You can go back and read that. What time is this doing? Whatever, name, UFI ID. Okay. How to import into Python. I'm lobotomized. Import X from blank import. This should work. Am I spelling something wrong? Is underscore valid underscore ID. Is underscore valid is underscore ID. The first one should cover everything. Then there's only two things that are defined in this entire thing. I can't be missing anything. There's two things I have to read. I'm reading those two things. No, duh. Because she's importing stuff. It's just not importing it. From blank import. I mixed up the order. It's from blank import. Okay. I'm genuinely so stupid. Guys. Plus. What does did the space of me cannot import? Did it take the space as a character? Didn't take space as a characters. It shouldn't take space as characters. What could be missing? I import utilities. I don't need to put the .py. I will. From utilities.py. Import. From that import. From that import. Some information is missing. I don't know what could possibly be missing. It's a two. Is there something like a billion lines down? No. Def stream process input. Def. That's two things, right? I import both things. I hate coding. I hate coding so much. Okay. Input utilities.py. Am I spelling something wrong? Process student info is valid ID. I'm genuinely going insane. I It's a 4-point thing. I import two. If we're gonna import all utilities.py functions, import from import both. It's in the same directory, but I'm not okay. Folder name dot. Okay, issues, common issues. This needs to keep running. Subfolder. What is utilities that process student info? It's not a thing. I can't import, I genuinely can't import anymore. I import everything. First thing imports everything. I have. I think you're trying to import it. I did. No. 1, 2, def. 1, 2, 2 functions I can import. I am importing everything, and then I'm re-importing those specific ones. You import all functions you do. Check the file for available functions. 1 and 2. That's 2. And the star wildcard. What? I mean, what? What is this star wildcard? Am I on meth? What is this star wildcard? What does it even mean? I can use import all functions, class and variables from example. From utils import star. a banshee down the hall. Please just... What's all function values for module, making them available for use in your program. However, it's only considered better practice to put only what you need, like from you or origin of an import. If I remove this, there's only one utilities. UTILITIES. I hate it here. I hate it here so much. Why does Stowe work? That's part 1. She's fucking asked to use it for their name and whatever. What do I import? I don't know. Plus the student info. Frog. Can return value of process as a variable called UFID, and the first return value is valid ID.
One subscription, 2 apps. Try it free.
Only if it is valid it goes through step 5, otherwise it prints. What? Second is VAD equals is valid ID. Then frog. If, what is VAD return? Returns truly is exactly 6 digits, otherwise false. If false, print UFID is not valid, exit program. Else print student name. Which one is your student name? String student's name, UFID in the format name, UFID. Returns the name of the UFID and UFID as a tuple. So I think log 1 and then UFID and now oh, I love how bad this is. Type error, process, student information is missing, one required position argument, student info. Frog, process student info. What? Use a function to implement the following plugin. Ask the user their name and but do not perform. Oh, I have to ask him myself. KMS. ID, please. Enter your name and UFID. Can I just toss KMS in here now? Oh, damn, okay. Well, guys, that's a good 1.5 hour stream. I have to go take an exam. Who's ready? Not me. See how many times I had to Google something in the middle of that? Yeah, we're not passing.